Good morning from Grand Valley Farm. It's November 17th, 2025. It's about 8:50 in the morning. It's a little wet out here. It's like 49 degrees and really foggy. Down here to feed these animals. Start off with feeding the 7-Eleven chickens since they're following me around on a trip on them. The coop chickens are now fed, and so are the 7-Eleven chickens. These guys are impatient. Now everyone's fed. Today, Shelby's out here by herself because Sally is at the vet getting fixed. I'll have to go to town here pretty soon, so I'll get back up to the house,